Hello students. Last three videos we have seen formulas of three-dimensional figures. Now today we'll see mensuration practice set 7.1. See students, you have to do the revision of all the three-dimensional formulas. So here today we are going to see practice set 7.1 first sum. I have written one sum for you here. Find the volume of a cone. So here a figure is given a cone. So you have to revise all the formulas related to cone. So find the volume of a cone if the radius of its base is 1.5 centimeter and its perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. So from this now we'll find what is given and the question what to find. So from this, see, if you observe, radius of its base is given 1.5 centimeter. So that we'll write it first. Radius, that is we are always denoting with the letter R. So radius of a cone R equal to is given 1.5 centimeter. Further it is given perpendicular height 5 centimeter. So we'll write perpendicular height, and this perpendicular height is denoted with the letter H. So H is equal to 5 centimeter. And what to find in this? We have to find volume of a cone. So volume of a cone is a question. Now students, we know that what is a volume formula. We know that it is volume of a cone equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. So now here we'll write 1 by 3 into value of pi, we know it is 22 upon 7. So here we'll put the value 22 upon 7 into r is given 1.5 into 1.5 into h is given how much? 5. So here 3, we can cancel this 1.5 with the 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 is 0.5. And now what the remaining numbers are? 22 into 0.5 into 1.5 into 5 and whole divide by 7. So if you do the calculation of this, you will find that volume of a cone is, see, if I do the multiplication and divide by 7, answer will be 11.785, which is approximately equal to 11.79. As this is a volume, so you need to be mentioned in the cube. So this is 7 centimeter cube. So finally you will write the answer. Volume of a cone equal to volume of a cone equal to 11.79 centimeter cube. Study it properly. Now we are going to see the second sum. Now let's see the second sum. From this, second sum is find the volume of a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. So from this we'll first find a given and question. So here in this sum, if you observe, diameter is given. So we'll write given diameter of sphere d equal to 6 centimeter. Now from this diameter we can find the radius. So we'll write radius r equal to d upon 2, which is 6 by 2 is 3 centimeter. So we got it here, radius r is equal to 3 centimeter. Now what to find? Find the volume of a sphere. Now we'll find volume of a sphere. So we'll write a question. Volume of a sphere. Now students, what is the formula for volume of a sphere? Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So this is a formula for volume of a sphere. So now we'll find 4/3 into value of pi is, now this time we'll take 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 times multiplication of 3. So we'll take that. And if you observe, this 3 and 3 we can cancel. So 3 get cancelled. Remaining numbers are 4 into 3.14 into, now I will make a multiplication of this, that is 9, and full multiplication it will be 113.04 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a sphere. Now students, let's see the next sum. Now students, let's see the third sum. Third sum is given. Find the total surface area of the cylinder if the radius of its base is given 5 centimeter and height is given 40 centimeter. So in this sum, two things are given, that is radius is given and height is given. So we'll write that first. So radius of cylinder r equal to 5 centimeter, height h equal to 40 centimeter, and what to find? Total surface area. So total surface area of cylinder, this is a question. So now you know all what is the formula. Total surface area of cylinder equal to, now what is the formula here? Formula is 2 pi r plus h. So learn the formulas properly. Now just put the values. 2 into 22/7 into, what is r? R is given 5 in bracket 5 plus 40. 2 into 22/7 into 5 into, will add first a bracket. So this is 45. And do the calculation, and now, and if you divide it by 7, you will get the answer 1413 centimeter. Now as it is the area, so this will come centimeter square.